What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome to another episode of Pips and Points. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I want to thank all the guys coming over to watch me talk about the markets, especially my favorite NAS100. And welcome to another episode. And this episode, my friends, it is an absolute disaster what has taken place, and I'm sure all of you have noticed too. So let's get into it to figure out exactly what has happened, how it happened, and how I plan to rectify it. Okay, so as you all know, right, we took a sell position, not a buy position here. So I took one, I think it was here. Let's color that blue. And then I believe I took, I took one because I had two trades, right? No, wait, sorry, it's a little bit higher. It was about here. So we took one here in this area, and then we took another one in this area, give or take. Took another one in this area, give or take, right? Then it came down even lower, and then I took this one right here, okay? But however, what happened is the market has gone into a correction, right? So NAS has gone into a correction, and this is where the correction took place. So the correction actually took place here, right? So as you can see, it's broken these trend lines over here, right? And it's closed underneath it, and it's pushing down. Okay, now this is something that I actually should have noticed this right here, but however I didn't notice it. It's a mistake, an expensive mistake, right? And trust me, it is a very expensive mistake, right? But obviously I missed it, and now it is just riding down. So this is what we call a market correction, and this effectively is a sell-off, right? So we can see we've got another parabolic red. It's running down, and it's a Friday, right? And chances are it's going to continue Friday up until Wednesday, when we're going to be getting some news in regards to the US markets, where there is a slight chance it could begin to reverse. So I ate a lot of red this week, and I'm now closed out. So literally I'm closed out. I had to take the L, and all three positions are gone in a negative. So I lost that trade right here. So what's the plan now is, as I'm licking my wounds, and I'm sure many others are licking their wounds too, in regards to this disaster, right? I now have to plan how I'm going to re-enter the game again, because this structure has broken. This structure right here, it has fully broken. The fibs is now irrelevant, right? It's now irrelevant. Makes no sense. The price action level at the top is still valid. It is still valid, okay? And so now I have to wait to see where this is going to settle at. And I personally feel like it's going to make his move to settle around here before it begins to reverse back, right? It's going to make a move to settle around here, okay? And also this overall structure, okay, is looking like a head and shoulders. Now I never, not in a million years, ever expected to see a head and shoulders in the NAS100, because the NAS just moves in one direction up. Basically anybody with a decent amount of technical analysis should be successful in trading the NAS100. This is how simple it is. So now that we've got this forming over here, which is the head, right? We might get a shoulders. And I'll tell you one thing about head and shoulders, my friends. They never break up. They never break up. So these are the shoulders. And this move hasn't happened yet, but this could be the shoulders and that could be the head. And if that's the case, it's going to keep going down. NAS is going to continue to sell off, right? That is what is going to happen. So what does one do, what do we do in this situation? Well, all I can do at this point is wait for the market to reverse, and then we're going to be back in. Yeah, so literally that's all. I could talk to you about other currency pairs, but to be fair, I am absolutely deflated. I got punched in the gut by the market. That it hurt real bad. I felt that pain. I'm feeling it now, and I've decided the smart thing to do is just to sit it out and wait to see what happens. And over the weekend, I'm going to re-examine my overall strategy to see how I actually went wrong and what I could do next time to make sure that this doesn't repeat again. Obviously, chances are it will repeat again because this is the markets we're talking about. It's not perfection, but yeah, this is a situation as it happened. And that was the main reason why I didn't actually make a video yesterday, because I was just I was peed off. Like I was in the middle of actually smashing up my flat, so I couldn't be disturbed. That's why I destroyed my my flat. But however, I kept my PC and all the important stuff safe, but everything else got destroyed. So obviously now I'm gonna have to buy everything back again, right? Yeah, and literally we're gonna have to wait and see what the market does, so that obviously I can recoup the losses that I incurred, and the losses were heavy indeed, and get back into the swing of it. But this is the game. This is the game. What we signed up for. This is what we signed up for. We signed up for to take the pips and the points as well as the negatives that comes with it, and unfortunately this week it's just been an absolute bloodbath. So my heart goes out to all the individuals that saw an opportunity, saw what looked to be a very good opportunity, took it, and it turned out to be a market correction. So for those individuals, my heart goes out to you. Hopefully you can hold the red, but at some point if it gets too bad, you're gonna have to cut it loose. And me personally, I think we've got another 3 days of this stuff, so it possibly could start to reverse on Wednesday next week, but up until then you're gonna be eating red. So yeah, so guys, this is it for this video, a very short video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the notification so you can find out when I upload another video. And like I said, this is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor, so don't come to this channel for financial advice, okay? We're just trying to figure it out, just like you're trying to figure it out, okay? And I don't think there's anyone on YouTube that has figured it out, but it doesn't hurt to continue to do the research and to continue to learn, because only by learning do we get better. So this is Jono signing out, and I'll see you all in the next video, and most likely that will be on Monday, and we're going to be doing all the normal stuff, i.e. talking about currency pairs and talking about the NAS as well. So until then, have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you again on well, won't actually see you, but you can hear me talk about this stuff again on Monday, the 24th of January. All right.